Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very traditional and delicious shortbread cookie. I know we go to the supermarket and we buy them there. We could make them at home and enjoy them with our beautiful family. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this shortbread cookie at home, these are my ingredients. 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 cups of salted butter, 3 cups and a half of all-purpose flour, of course, vanilla extract. These are the few ingredients you need to make this amazing, delicious shortbread cookie at home. So let's get started. I love buying shortbread cookies, and now that I can make them at home, but I am saving some money. Here, let me show you step by step how to make shortbread cookies at home. I have 3 cups and a half of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar. I am going to incorporate really good with very clean hands. Let me show you how to incorporate the sugar. Sometimes the sugar has little balls that are hard. You want to make sure that you dissolve those with your hands. You pull them apart. Once this is done and you mix the granulated sugar with the all-purpose flour, you're ready to add your butter. This is salted butter. So now I am ready to start mixing away with very clean hands. Take your time, and you're going to need to use both of your hands to start incorporating all these delicious ingredients. A splash of vanilla extract, and then I am ready to start working with my hands, creating magic, creating that ball nice and soft. I know it's going to stick to your fingers. That's okay. Once you start creating the ball, you're going to notice that your fingers are no longer going to be that sticky. Look at this. Creating this amazing and delicious shortbread cookie. Oh my God. You could enjoy it with the tea. You could enjoy it with coffee, or simple. You could enjoy it with a very cold glass of milk. You decide. But here I want to show you how to make it from scratch, how to enjoy it with your beautiful family. Of course, I'm cleaning the bowl really good with the dough. And now I am ready to start making and creating this amazing shortbread cookie. In my baking dish, I'm just going to push all the way to the edges, making sure that I level it with my hands. And once it's nice and leveled, these 2 little gadgets are going to be my best friend. I am going to just slice all the way to the bottom and then creating the cookie. Look at this. With my bench scraper. Let me tell you, this cookie really comes out so delicious, crispy, crumbly, and the flavor just amazing. Of course, once you have all those little strips, you're going to continue with your fork. And I'm just pushing all the way to the bottom, okay? All the way to the bottom of the cookie. This is time consuming, but these cookies come out so delicious that you cannot have only one. You will not resist when you start tasting this amazing shortbread cookie. I have preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. It's gonna go in the oven in between 45 minutes to 50 minutes. Yes, it's a long time, but let me tell you, the cookie comes out so delicious that you're going to continue making these amazing shortbread cookies at home. Look how amazing this looks. Going into the oven. After 50 minutes, I'm going to let them sit for at least 15 minutes before I take them out. Do not try to remove them while the pan is still hot because they're going to break away and they're going to crumble. So what you want to do, wait 15 minutes and then start pulling them apart slowly, and the aroma of the shortbread cookie has invaded my kitchen. Look how beautiful they look. I could only imagine how delicious they're gonna taste. If you got to this part of the video, you love shortbread cookies, like, subscribe, and share. And I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Look how amazing they look. My mouth is watering and I can't wait to enjoy it. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with these amazing shortbread cookies. This is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Oh my God, so delicious. There's no need to go buy shortbread cookies when you can make them at home. Just amazing. If you like and love this amazing shortbread cookie made at home from scratch, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing shortbread cookies made at home with lots of love. See you soon. Bye-bye.